Yfood have a brand new limited edition flavour out, and it's creamy cookie flavour. Let's find out what it tastes like. Okay, a quick one today. If you're new to my channel, I've been reviewing meal replacement or complete nutrition products for over 5 years, and Yfood often comes up pretty high up in my kind of favourite flavours, especially their limited editions. They're easy to drink and they just taste so good. And yet at the same time, they're delivering you 26 vitamins and minerals, at least 25% of your daily micronutrient needs. You're getting 33 grams of protein, which is already providing 68% of your daily requirements. And then you're getting the sufficient dietary fibre that you're going to need. And that fibre comes with hardly any calories, no fat and no sugar. So it couldn't be easier. Anyway, as I said, I'm a big fan of Yfood because of their flavours, and it's just so easy to take on a regular basis, especially the Yfood drinks. You just grab and go. And the limited edition flavours that Yfood do often knock it out the park as far as I'm concerned. Anyway, let's give this one a taste. Creamy cookie with natural flavourings. Oh yeah, you've got very sort of creamy element to it there in the smell, sort of vanilla-y element to it, hint of chocolate, but it's that kind of creamy vanilla flavour that you might sort of get from a cookies and cream. Yeah, there is a nice creamy texture to it that works so well with the cookies and sort of the creamy cookie flavour. I find the creaminess of Yfood often much better than a lot of other complete nutrition products, and part of that is that the main ingredients here is semi-skimmed milk. That's where you get part of the protein from. So you're getting milk protein, and then there's vegetable oils, coconut milk, gluten-free oats fibre, soluble corn fibre, rice powder, and then your vitamins A, C, D, K, B1, B3, B5, B6, folic acid, biotin, and then various minerals and stuff, which I'll put on the screen. For those that are interested, the sweetener they use is sucralose. So there we go. It tastes really creamy and really nice, as ever. And whilst it's sweet, it's not as sweet as some other of the Yfood products I've tasted, which I absolutely love, and the apple cinnamon was amazing. But this has a real nice, sort of vanilla, creamy vanilla taste to it. But I do particularly like the creaminess of the texture that really adds to it. So there you go. Limited edition Yfood creamy cookie. Let's have a quick look at the pricing. So price-wise, you're looking at £20.94, and that's going to give you 6 bottles, which works out there at about £3.49 per bottle. So quite expensive, but again, you're getting 500 calories as opposed to some other products which will give you 400 calories. So on a per calorie basis, it's not so bad. The ready to drink always will be a bit more pricey than saying buying the powder and making up the shakes. So there you go. Overall, I really like the flavour of it and the taste. Really nice. Now, one thing I did notice is when I look at the amount of carbohydrates, which are in the sort of correct proportions and everything relative to a 500 calorie meal, carbohydrates represent 36 grams, of which sugar 22 grams. So the amount of carbohydrates, which are sugars, is quite high in these drinks, and I was checking it with the apple and cinnamon, and it's very similar. Just to contrast that though, with the vegan option, if you go for a choco flavour, the vegan option, then their carbohydrates come out there at 39 carbohydrates, of which are sugars 3.8. So significantly less in the vegan option of the drinks. That's just something to bear in mind. But I do think that these are really great as a sort of a have to, ready to go if you're running late for breakfast or lunch on the go now and then. But I think there are probably other better products if you want to have things on a consistent, constant basis. But these are really nice. They taste really great. So there you go. I hope you found that useful. I hope you found it interesting. If you did, then please hit the likes, because I like it, YouTube likes it, and it helps people like you find content like this. And if you are new here, do me the favour, hit that subscribe button and toggle that notification bell, and then you'll know when I upload interesting videos like this. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you around very, very soon. Cheers.